Left signal. We're heading down to Newton to meet the rest of the crew. Alright guys, hi, what's up man?
The rear engine is 11.
Okay.
We
Tomorrow.
60 years as a nation.
Yeah, tomorrow we celebrate our national birthday. A quick introduction of your car. So, come.
It's a small little Golf.
Wow, there's a lot of people. Oh, there's a car behind.
Last week only.
What's up? Wow, what's that?
Pen.
Turbo, hello. Huh? What's up?
Every time different go on.
Hello. Hey. Long time no see, man.
Long lah, I got see you that time what?
No, I never see you. Huh? Oh yeah. East Coast. Hello. 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 Wow, great to see you, man. Hello. Vivian.
Hello.
Yeah.
90s 都是算。
Wow. Hey, what's up, man? Hello. Cheese. What ride is this? Welcome. Hello. Bro, great to see you.
How are you?
Hello, guys. Hello, Uncle Tay. Hello.
How are you?
You're on camera. Yes, hello, welcome.
Hello.
Good to see you.
Great to see you too. Welcome. This one needs COE or not? Hi, Mom. Nice to see you. Hi. Hello. Wow, so cool eh.
Good morning.
Wait, morning. This one. What's up? Well, Felix very shy. No need to shy. You're famous already, what? Come. The whole Singapore must know you. Hey, where's your ride? Never see?
You are the right bro.
First checkpoint, Tanglin Mall. After that, what we will do is we will go towards
Police.
the Singapore Flyer there. Yes. Okay, head down towards Singapore Flyer. So which means to say we'll go all the way down one straight road along Orchard Road.
A white deer car.
Then later car
Thanks so much, by the way.
You're broking. We have to go. If not, they can't go. Wow. How many kilometers are today?
20? Probably. Yeah, that's not that much. I think it's 20.
Okay. Woo! What's up? So let's get to the bottom of this jam. So this is the car that jammed up. Alright, go! Woohoo! on, fast game, man.
I got very slow already.
Slow walk. Everything is content.
Meanwhile,
bad idea! Boom！这安尼真大声啦，我是听安尼。boom boom，真大boom boom boom，这安尼真大声啦，我是听安尼。
Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to this channel, consider to subscribe and also check out our previous video. See you soon. Ciao.